Now we already load the mixer conveyor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 600 pieces pallet. You can see in the mixer we put wheels for trolley, parts for conveyor, key for you, close. You can see the white color. You paint yourself. We do 2 for you. You paint on machine. Uh, 600 pieces pallet, 2-piece trolley, conveyor, mixer, control box, hydraulic station, block receiver, stacking machine. Now we already finished load the host block machine. Still have 400 pieces pallet and moves, extra moves, 5 moves still not load. You can see here 400 pieces pallet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8. 5 moves. 5 moves. Block machine, control box, block machine.你关就行，封就行。还录行？我录一个呗。我也不知道这个运费多少钱，我得问问到底运费多少钱。你封就行。